A great event it's been. For the first time, Optica brought together the packaging, assembly and test community for two different communities, the integrated photonics and the laser diode ones. We understood there were joint challenges that we could actually solve together. So what we did was to discuss three key priorities. The first one, the photonic industry is growing faster than the technology is getting mature. That's why right now there is a big demand for new technologies to enter production very fast, and that's generating a big demand on equipment manufacturers. Companies like ficonTEC, Alphamation, Besi are really working together to solve those challenges, and that was one of the goals of this event. New markets such as LiDAR, such as AI are really originating that huge demand. Second priority was actually AI. What we have noticed is that it takes about 4 watts to Google something, but it takes about 24 watts to put it in ChatGPT. That's why right now many people are using ChatGPT to get extra information. And that's just the beginning. This is going to be a huge demand. Hence, we have to increase our data capacity and reduce our power consumption. And that has been heavily discussed at the meeting. The solution is to bring photonics and electronics really close together, what we call chiplets. Chiplets were presented by Fraunhofer ICM and MIT. An extreme room for cooperation has been found with the packaging companies like Icon Photonics, like Alter Technologies, and also with the equipment manufacturers. Companies like Percivio Robotics or Bayu Robotics can actually work together to solve this challenge. And the third priority is sustainability. All the way from MIT, Agarwal came here to find ways of working together. They just submitted a big proposal for the US government on how to make photonics industry more sustainable. What kind of materials should we use, which ones we should not use, what kind of processes we can use to remove or at least reduce the outgassing, and also what is the concept that we can do not only for the assembly of photonics, but something new, the disassembly of photonics, so we can recycle each material individually. In my opinion, this is a huge trend that Optica is going to investigate thoroughly. If you couldn't be with us here at ficonTEC, do not worry, because these challenges are going to be discussed in our upcoming events. On the 28th of September, we go to New York for the Luminate Deep Tech Investor there. And afterwards, we are at ECOC in Glasgow with our huge reception. And on the 25th of October, we have our PEC Summit, Photonics-Enabled Cloud Computing, and there we're going to discuss how to take the photonics industry to solve cloud computing, AI in the data centers. Optica rocks.